As the latest addition to the Ace series, which has sold over 10 million units, can the OnePlus Ace6 really deliver beyond expectations? When it comes to performance and gaming experience, the Ace6's biggest strength is its Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform. This highly praised chip from TSMC has proven itself time and again. With 3nm manufacturing and Orion architecture, performance and efficiency are maximized. It has up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB UFS 4.1 storage, so running multiple apps or large files is effortless. Even when you have multiple games running in the background and switch to social apps, everything stays smooth and lag-free. Speaking of the biggest highlight of the OnePlus A46 this time, it has to be its 165Hz ultra-high frame rate gaming experience. The new generation of WinSpeed game engine chips from several brands are integrated, and together with the 165Hz ultra-high refresh screen, it can output 45 more frames per second than a 120Hz screen, boosting display speed by 27% and making operation response 10 milliseconds faster. 165Hz really is a future-proof feature. Whether you're playing mobile games or open-world games, the 120 frames per second mode gives you more frame rate headroom and better future compatibility. Native high frame rate games can also give you a real edge, letting you stay 2 steps ahead and win with ease. In actual game testing, playing Honor of Kings at the highest graphics and 120 frames per second in a 5 vs 5 ranked match, the average frame rate reached 121.3 frames per second. In the early stages, the frame rate is a straight line, with only minor fluctuations during intense late-game team fights. Running Genshin Impact at the highest graphics settings for 30 minutes and using super frame rate in the game assistant at a resolution of 2800 by 1272. Under the high pressure of native frame rates, the average frame rate is 120.6 FPS, delivering an outstanding experience. Such excellent performance in both Honor of Kings and Genshin Impact is not only due to the near maximum performance output, but also thanks to the brand new Glacier cooling system. The large flat Glacier VC vapor chamber has increased its space by 43%, and with aerospace-grade supercritical aerogel materials, it actually allows for long periods of high-quality, high-frame-rate gameplay in Honor of King. The device feels comfortable to hold. Multiple esports network chips reduce cellular gaming latency by 20% and improve Wi-Fi signal strength by 70%. You no longer need to worry about lag or disconnects during key team fights. The Linksy Touch chip and gamepad-level gyroscope offer excellent support. With a 3200Hz touch sampling rate, it captures even the most extreme actions. The 200Hz gyroscope sampling rate makes 3-finger operations more stable and gives you more confidence in combos. With bypass charging, you can play while charging without overheating, and it keeps high frame rates and smooth performance, eliminating worries about gaming battery life. Now let's take a look at the exterior design. The OnePlus Ace6 design is honestly way above what you'd expect at this price point. It features the same minimalist style as its flagship big brother, paired with a brand new aluminum alloy metal frame and an HG glass back, giving it a premium feel. The one I have here looks deep in texture, with a dark black frame matched with a dark back panel, making for a very cohesive look. The large camera module is paired with a carefully polished curve. And of course, there's OnePlus's signature silky glass feel. This really lives up to Mr. Shang's classic line. The feel is just freaking awesome. The metal cube design on the back of the phone seamlessly connects with the texture of the middle frame, and the small cutout design means your hands won't get in the way while gaming. Even during long gaming sessions, it stays comfortable and smooth. With a thickness of 8.3mm and a weight of 213 grams, it's already impressively restrained considering it packs a massive 7800 mAh battery. Top-level IP66, IP68, and IP69K dust and water resistance, so you don't have to worry about everyday spills from your teacup or going out in the rain. Durability is maxed out. And when it comes to battery life, that's definitely the OnePlus Ace6 killer feature, a massive 7800 mAh Glacier battery. With normal use, you'll still have about 40% battery left at the end of the day. Even with heavy gaming, it can last over 60 hours. The 120-watt super fast charging is incredibly quick. Just a 10-minute charge during a gaming break will keep you going for a long time. Say goodbye to low battery anxiety for good. When it comes to photography, it still features OnePlus's classic setup, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 main sensor paired with Oppo's flagship imaging algorithms, ensuring consistently great shots day or night. With both OIS and EIS, plus Oppo's advanced motion capture technology, motion blur is significantly reduced. In the future, an OTA update will also add an ultra-clear live photo feature. How about system experience and practicality? ColorOS 16 delivers a smooth experience. Dual smoothness engines boost app response by 40%, and scene stability improves by 37%. The silky smooth feel, often compared to Dove chocolate in tech, has reached the next level. The new members of the Inspiration theme lineup all feature very innovative designs. The business-savvy Note has seized the moment, and the female companions are all full of clever ideas. This time, the AI Live wallpapers are also stunning, with high usability in both artistic, fantasy, and real-world scenarios. Xiaobu Assistant and Xiaobu Memory have also been fully upgraded, and Xiaobu Suggestions will send you a daily briefing at just the right time. With just one tap, you can access natural gas news directly, and Xiaobu Assistant's lighting effects and animations have also been further improved. Whether it's interacting with Xiaobu Memory or Xiaobu Assistant, everything feels very intuitive. Just long press for quick voice notes, whether you're using it as a memo or to capture inspiration. It's convenient, and the new tap-to-transfer feature now has more intuitive animations. Swiping up to send photos feels like handing over a photo, making the experience special. The ultrasonic fingerprint sensor unlocks the phone fast, your screen lights up when it's unlocked, and it can recognize your fingerprint even if your hand is a bit off. Both security and usability are top-notch. The 165Hz ultra-high refresh rate eye care display is not only smooth, but also meets the TV Rhineland eye protection standards. With AI intelligent dimming and hardware-level low blue light, combined with proactive eye protection features, you can use it for long periods without eye fatigue, balancing smoothness and eye health. Overall, the OnePlus S6 is a game-changer in its price range, with the Snapdragon 8 Standard Edition paired with a 165Hz high frame rate gaming experience for outstanding performance, a 7800 mAh battery on top of that. With a 120-watt fast charging setup, plus flagship-level design, camera, and system, it truly delivers a fully loaded experience that exceeds expectations.